Hey everyone, Hey everyone, shut up, and now it's going to be in there, god damn it. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining us today. You guys have been loving the training videos that we were doing with Abby. So we've got Abby's sister in Layla. She's just wanting to get into modeling. So this is her first shoot ever and her first shoot with Peter and Peter's first time meeting her and shooting with her. So we thought we would show you more training because you guys really seem to like that and get to see Peter's techniques and kind of what he does all the time. He has to work with people that he's never met before, and this is going to be even a little bit more different because Layla's never shot before. So throw it over to Peter.
So right at this stage, I don't know what this is going to be about. So it's my very first shoot with Layla, which is Abby's sister, and this is your first shoot ever. So there's an angle on its own. Number two, we've changed our whole system now. I'm running on a MacBook Pro, the new Mac M1 16 Max, whatever it is, system. I'm shooting on the Sony. I'm using the Sony Image Edge software. So we're using lots of different things. I'm most likely going to do a bit of shooting on this really cheap lens, which I've fallen in love with. So this could be a bit of all. So we've taken one frame at this stage, which is that, and you can see just from the first frame, she's not too bad looking. So this is what a lot of people out there would say, yeah, this happens to me all the time.
Where should I look? Do I look?
Exactly. So she's asked where should she look? Because I've given her no feedback or anything. Just the camera, maybe?
Like in the camera, above the camera?
Oh, you can look in the camera. If you look hard enough, you should be able to see me through it.
That was a joke, right?
I'm just going to treat this as a new training shoot, and because you've never done this before, you've got no idea what to do.
Yeah.
But I know of photographers that have said to me that they get a new model in and the photographer doesn't know what to do.
Okay.
So now you've got a model and a photographer that don't know what to do. So I've just moved the wall back a little bit just so I could get a little bit more length on her, and I'm just going to start shooting, and maybe if I just say that's pretty, that's nice. It's uncomfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit a lot.
Should I be moving or just...
All right, so number one, this is what I'm doing right now is the exact same thing as if I'm shooting a fully experienced model or someone who hasn't done it before. You can see how insecure she is because I'm not giving her any feedback. You don't know what to do. Is this all right? Why am I supposed to do it? You can't do this to any model. And as you've seen in other videos I've done, how much I talk.
Yeah.
So a model that doesn't know what they're doing, the photographer doesn't know what they're doing, it's just awkward. Mm-hmm. So now I'm going to come down to my zone. So I just want you standing comfortable, whatever's comfy for you, cool. The camera needs to be something you want to look at. Mm-hmm. So it can be a dog, it could be a Chanel handbag, it's whatever floats your boat is what you're looking at. What I'm doing now is so I can see the muscles I don't like. So I'm just looking for the muscles that aren't her normal muscles. Feel what your face feels like, right? Do you feel your face change? The second you can feel that camera, now if you're really conscious of what happens, you'll notice that the bottom half of your face gets tight. Yeah. Can you feel that happening?
Yeah.
I've got you to understand if you feel uptight, it's not going to be what you look like anyway. Yeah. So we need to try and get that out. So one of the things I try and do is just try and get someone comfortable so you don't know when I'm going to click now. So this has already taken part of that away. See how you're naturally just moving now, whereas as soon as I come in here, you tend to freeze down a little bit. This is normally the way I would work with a model that I've only got 2 hours to work with, and I have to work commercially with them. The next thing is what you do with your whole body affects your face. So I want strong, powerful woman. All right, so cool. Just give me strong, powerful woman to the camera. Cool. Now give me cute and pretty to the camera. Now strong and powerful. Right, so she moved her arm. That was the difference between strong, powerful and cute and pretty. Right, so now to go to strong, powerful. So strong, powerful, I want your legs wider. Wider, 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 wider. Keep going. That's better. Throw your weight on the hip. That's better. Hang one hand and put the other one on you. Then long, strengthen your lengthy, that's it. And your eyes are like lasers, just nearly like as you look, you can nearly feel them cut lines. Cool. And just slightly squint. When I say slightly squint, it's a little bit, just bring them down just till it starts to blur a little bit. And when you do that, and I'm not suggesting everyone does this all the time, what you'll see, look how intense your eyes are. Look how strong you're looking. So do you sort of like that?
Yeah.
Look what we've done in like 10 minutes. So if we get you back there, and this is the hardest thing, it's not something you can just go bang. You have to learn how to feel, not how to think, how to feel something. The best way I can explain it is if you're out in a park with your dog, you're sitting there, the dog's running around crazy, all of a sudden sees you and just bolts at you. See how you're feeling?
Yeah.
See how that instantly made you feel something?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, what I say to every model, what I'm trying to do is capture moments that only the most special people in your life even see of you.
Yeah.
And when you're looking amazing with this aura about you, everybody wants to buy whatever you're selling.
Yeah. Okay.
Another trick we quite often use is draw circles with your fingers. Can be anywhere. Can be on the wall behind you. Just slow, really slow. Try and think while you're drawing. See how you can't? But see how that just relaxes you out? Another thing, if the camera starts to get too much on you, right? Click, 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 it's getting too much. I'll look away, reset. So you come out of a look away, reset, then come back in to looking again at what you wanted to look at to get that nice feel. If you want to be a great model, you have to have the most amazing eyes in the world. How many times have you used your eyes to get money off somebody? Like off a dad? Yeah. You know where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
That's one of the skills you really have to use. Use your eyes. Mm-hmm. Like fully tease and use your eyes to get what you want. So, cool, 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 cool. That's really cool. Cool. Don't overthink. So we've just had a little bit of a change. She's now wearing something she's much more comfortable with wearing, and it's instantly made a difference to the photos. There's just, her jawline is much softer now. These are really pretty.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're liking?
Yeah.
Now I'll do a few more of this, and then I'm going to change the background, and I'm going to change the lens I use. Still has to be eyes, still needs to be a feeling or a thought. At the start, I'm just going to let you fumble around a bit, but then I'm going to start not taking till you can actually demand that picture. See, you have got control now, haven't you? Can you see what I mean? So this is the best thing I can teach you, because now the more you learn that, especially when you're working with me, you have the power to get me to click the button. So now I'm just your extension of your arm. Mm-hmm. Cool, 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 cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's pretty. Nice. Chin up just a little bit there. See, that's a little bit of power. So I'm going to change my lenses. Now I'm just going to put, this is a little 50mm 0.95 lens, and this is a lens we did a little 50mm talk about the other day. And after I went through the pictures, I found I absolutely adored the look of this lens. I haven't made up my mind if I want grey or white. I think it might quite nice to be white on white. And I have found in the past that models tend to love the same lenses I love, because it normally makes them look amazing, and that's what they care about. They don't care about how much the lens cost or... Cool, that's really pretty.
I feel like they're getting better.
It's just the more I shoot, the better I get. It takes me a bit of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I know why they're getting better. Number one, you're getting more comfortable.
Yeah.
Number two, you've seen some pictures that you like of yourself.
Mm-hmm.
So that's put you into a positive thing. Number 3, you're wearing what you want to wear. You don't have your shoes on.
Yeah.
And number 4, this cheap lens is making you look amazing.
Yeah.
All right, pressure's on now. You're gonna nail some stuff. Try and let go. Try and be you. That's better. That's much better. Have your thoughts. Who are you in front of? Who are you thinking about? Cool, cool. Cool. If I'm not talking, it normally means I don't want to influence what you're doing. I'm liking where you're going. I'm scared if I say something, it's going to take away what you're thinking. And I'm not finding I'm needing to talk because they're really pretty. It's amazing how quick you've got there. Yeah, these are pretty. Want to try and nail some more?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Just yet, that's much better. So you felt when you did that, it made you feel, right, that's called modeling.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool, that's really cool. Cool. Work it, come on. That's better. That's really pretty there. Cool. So do you want to make sure you don't fall out? Throw it over, shake your hair out, right? And then come back up, but don't touch it. So just let it land wherever it lands, all right? All right, so throw it back, just leave it. It's hard, isn't it? Cool. Now, the first slightest little shake. That's it there, beautiful. Stunning. Stunning. You like that?
Yeah. My jaw there looks so different to the ones you're taking now.
I know, 'cause you're uptight.
Wow.
All right, so whenever you're uptight, it affects from the eyes down, right? And the further you go down, the more it affects.
Yep.
So you see the biggest change, I call the jowls. So quite often you end up with a round face or, yeah, but even look in the eyes. See, the eyes are saying, don't look at me.
Yeah, they're not.
They're not saying I'm comfortable. They're saying, please don't look at me.
Yeah.
But Abby did the same, like she did a step from the first shoot to the second shoot, like a massive step.
Yeah.
You'd have just done it within the one shoot. It's like you're a blank canvas and allowed us, it's pretty as. See how you're demanding and see, look, watch. It's got nothing to do with what you're wearing or anything, it's your face is demanding you to look at. There's a certain pretty that I really like, and it's pretty but a little bit lost, a little bit like pretty sad. Cool, cool. I'm just going to adjust the light. Just watch the wall for a second. I'm going to move up that way a little bit more. So what I've done, I've just brought a bounce light in. I found the skylights. We've got a bright, sunny, hot day today, so this skylight was having too much of an effect down and onto the tip of her nose. By me dropping the whiteboard under her and then putting that, cool, that's really pretty. That's made it very pretty. The reason I'm pulling it back is I'm just seeing if I get a little bit more bounce from the skylight onto this, and that's still protecting. Cool, cool. Oh, I've taught her a trick with the hair. She's not going to stop now.
It's so much better. It just looks so much more natural.
Yeah, it's just cool. It's so pretty. To me, beauty is in imperfection. It's not imperfection. Is that the same girl who walked in the studio a couple of hours ago? They're freaking amazing. I'm just being fussy with my light. Oh, that's nicer. That's stunning, stunning. All right, now tell the story. Cool, that's better, that's better. And I want you to try and feel it. Whatever you do, try and make it so it actually has an effect on you. You can actually feel it affecting your face. Cool, cool. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. That's stunning, 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 stunning. Cool.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that and that was fun for you guys. And I will throw up another link to Abby's first training shoot and one to that 50mm lens that Peter was just using.